chemistry together with CBSE chemistry tips and tricks.
Before we understand what electronegativity is, we need to understand one basic concept first. What is that? Covalent bonding. For understanding, take hydrogen atom. See, for hydrogen atom, you know atomic number is 1, which means it contains 1 electron in the K shell. But we know how many electrons are required to fulfill the shell? 1 more, right? Okay, so when hydrogen molecule is formed, for hydrogen molecule to form, 2 hydrogen atoms are required, right? So 1 more hydrogen atom is coming. It also contains 1 electron. Now both of them need 1 more electron, right? So what they will do? They are not ready to lose, right? So they definitely share electrons between them so that covalent bond is established. So it will be like this. You have first hydrogen atom having 1 electron, right? This is the center. Okay, second hydrogen atom. This is the center. And you have the electron here, right? Okay, so you can see 1 pair of electron are shared between the hydrogen atom. Correct, right? Now, definitely this nucleus, which contain proton, which are positive charge, will attract the shared electron pair towards it. Correct, right? But the power of the nucleus of both atoms are same because both of them are hydrogen atom. Correct, right? So the pulling power of both atoms are same. So the electron cloud or the electron pair stay symmetrically between the hydrogen atom. Correct, right? The pulling power of the hydrogen nucleus from both sides are exactly same. Correct, right? So the shared pair of electron stays symmetrically between the atom. Correct, right? Assume that if atoms are different, then what will be the situation? Now we can assume a molecule which contain different types of atoms. For example, HCl. Now between hydrogen and chlorine, 1 pair of electron is shared, just like H2. Okay, now see what happened to this electron pair. If we observe, we can see that the electron pair, the shared electron pair, are pulled more closer to the chlorine. Which means what? Chlorine is more capable of pulling the shared electrons towards it. And that capability of atom is known as electronegativity. So more electronegativity means more pulling ability. Okay, see the electrons, the shared pair of electrons will be pulled more closer to the atom having higher electronegativity. In the first scenario, you can see that electron cloud or electron pair exists between similar atom, or you can say atoms of equal electronegativity. Their pulling ability is exactly similar. Okay, so the electron cloud stays symmetrically between the hydrogen atom. Both have same pulling power. So electron cloud will not shift to any of the atom, towards any of the atom. But in the second scenario, you have hydrogen. At the same time, you have chlorine. Right. Now chlorine is more electronegative, more pulling ability. So what will happen? See, the electron cloud start shifting towards what? Start shifting towards chlorine. Right. Which means there will be an asymmetric distribution of electron cloud between hydrogen and chlorine. It is very clear from the diagram, right? Now electrons are shifting towards chlorine, definitely make it negative because electrons are negative charge. Electron is shifting slightly towards chlorine, so chlorine becomes slightly negative. And hydrogen, for hydrogen, electron clouds are moving away from hydrogen, making it slightly positive. So if you check HCl molecule, you can see that there will be a slight negative charge on chlorine and slight positive charge on hydrogen, making it a polar bond. So remember, what is the consequence of electronegativity? This is the consequence. Okay, if there is an electronegativity difference, then the molecule or the bond will be polar. Polar means charged. Okay, now if there is no electronegativity difference, if they have equal electronegativity, if both atoms have same electronegativity, then there will be no shifting of charge. Okay, so there will be no charge on both atoms. Clear? So it is a non-polar molecule. If there is electronegativity difference, then it is polar molecule. Clear, right? That's it. Okay, hope all of you understand, and we can move to the definition of the electronegativity. So we are concluding with the definition of electronegativity. It is the tendency of an atom to attract a shared pair of electrons in a chemical bond.